Performance. Art. The all-new completely redesigned 2022 Subaru BRZ features a new, more powerful 2.4-liter direct-injection Subaru BOXER engine, retuned suspension, strengthened chassis, and an upgraded transmission, re-engineered to deliver even better all-new 2.4-liter direct-injection Subaru BOXER engine. The 2022 BRZ features an all-new larger 2.4-liter direct-injection Subaru BOXER engine producing 228 horsepower, while delivering a more than 15 increase in torque at 184 pound-feet. Refined over decades of street and motorsport experience, the iconic Subaru BOXER engine has pistons that move side to side, canceling out each other's vibrations so it can run more smoothly and efficiently. This horizontal layout also offers better balance while delivering a maximum transfer of power. Retuned. Track-tested suspension. Subaru engineers retuned the MacPherson struts in front and the multi-link rear suspension to improve the famed BRZ cornering even further, including widening the rear track for improved dynamics and reinforcing the suspension mounting points for increased performance. Redesigned 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. The 2022 BRZ features a redesigned quick-shifting 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters and downshift rev matching, so you can choose between daily driving convenience or high-performance control without your hands leaving the wheel. Lightweight chassis for outstanding response and road feel. The chassis and body of the BRZ have been re-engineered for lighter weight, an even lower center of gravity, 50% increased torsional rigidity, and 60% increased front lateral rigidity, combined with its quick 13:5-to-1 steering ratio. The 2022 BRZ gives drivers a smooth, direct feel for the road and a near-instantaneous response to it. Iconic rear-wheel drive sports car layout. The 2022 BRZ features an iconic sports car layout. Front engine, rear-wheel drive, and all the modern technology developed over decades of Subaru motorsport engineering, along with the near-perfect weight distribution from front to back and upgraded high-performance wheels, tires, and brakes with larger 18-inch alloy wheels and Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires. You can count on the 2022 BRZ to hold fast on the road or the track and give you precise control, confident grip in both wet and dry conditions. The BRZ braking system has also been revised and upgraded for increased stopping force. Upgraded 6-speed manual transmission. The 2022 BRZ gives you all the classic fun and crisp control of a proper 3-pedal, 6-speed manual transmission with close ratios and a standard short-throw shifter. Quick ratio steering. You'll feel an incredible connection to the road and get almost instant response with quick 13:5-to-1 ratio electric power-assisted rack and pinion steering. Subaru STARLINK multimedia. The BRZ features STARLINK multimedia with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Wireless Bluetooth pairing and hands-free smartphone operation allow for safe and easy connection to your favorite apps and content. Access news, navigation, music, podcasts, and more through available cloud-based STARLINK apps and SiriusXM more. For 2022, a larger, upgraded 8 inches touchscreen is now standard. Digital instrument cluster. New for 2022. The BRZ now features a customizable, fully digital instrument cluster with a central tachometer and integrated G-force meter plus adaptive sport and track modes, so all your important vehicle performance information is available at a glance. Subaru STARLINK Safety and Security. Available STARLINK Safety and Security 2 offers an array of connected services to help keep you and your BRZ safe whether you're in your vehicle, at your computer, or on your smartphone. Advanced automatic collision notification will alert an operator in the event of an accident, and SOS emergency assistance can get you roadside help at the push of a button. Remote engine start with climate control. Accessible via your smartphone, ensures your BRZ is always ready and comfortable. 3. There are also STARLINK concierge services for personal assistance with tasks like navigation, restaurant reservations, and scheduling service appointments. EyeSight Driver Assist Technology. EyeSight Driver Assist Technology 4. Standard on automatic transmission BRZ models. Monitors traffic movement, optimizes cruise control, and warns you when you're swaying outside your lane. 4. The automatic pre-collision braking feature can even apply full braking force and bring you to a complete stop in emergency situations, elevating the driving experience. The BRZ cockpit is designed so that nothing gets in the way of your driving. Bolstered sports seating keeps you stable and well-positioned for maximum control. The brake pedal provides a firm, progressive feel for confident braking. And like all the pedals on the BRZ, it features an aluminum cover and sport-style drilled design. Full backseat with fold-down capability. The 2022 BRZ is a sports car you'll love to drive every day, because it's full of convenient features like a full backseat that can fold down when you need the flexibility to haul more cargo. Turn heads fast. With its sleek low-profile body, Larger available 18 inches alloy wheels and wider, resculpted design, the 2022 BRZ is a modern remix of classic sports car style.